I learned this stuff about 3 or 4 years ago. Ever since I've been practicing it, I've been literally seeing the results. I cannot lie, okay? I'm financially free. I don't work for nobody. I write my own check. I get paid every day. I'm about to tell you how to do the same thing. Listen. Most people, all their life, they are programmed to think that they have to work for money. Like they have to scramble for money. They have to hustle for money. But see, that's the slave way to think about making money. That's a slave way. That's not the rich way. Rich people, wealthy people, 6-figure, 7-figure people, they don't think about money the way broke people do. And when I say broke people, I mean people like me and you. Yeah, I used to be real broke, okay? They don't think about money like the average person that you are friends with or your family members. Rich people don't think about money like them. I'm about to tell you how rich people think, and I'm gonna tell you why they keep attracting so much money and it never stops. Now, here's the first thing that you need to know about money. The reason why most people are unable to attract money all day long, guess why? It's because they're constantly thinking about how they do not have it and how they can get it. Notice what I just said. Notice what I just said. The reason why most people cannot attract money, because money is an energy, it's able to be attracted. The reason why they cannot attract money is because all day long they are thinking of ways they can obtain it. They're thinking of things that they can do to get it, okay? They're coming up with hustles and schemes of how they can inherit it. They're failing to realize that money comes from the inside of who you are because it's energy. The more you constantly think that the money is out here and you have to go and get it, the more it's gonna run away from you, okay? It's just gonna run away from you. Even when you get it, you're never gonna have enough of it because you have been programmed to believe that you have to go and get it, all right? Here's the way rich people think about money. Rich people already think that they are money, okay? They already carry themselves as though they're rich. They already, the women that have a lot of money, she already believes that she's the most beautiful woman in the room, okay? Successful people already think that they're the spotlight, the life of the party. They already feel abundant. They already feel prosperous. They already feel wealthy, okay? And what money does, it comes to them. They don't have to go after the money. You know, just take notice when you have on a nice outfit, right? Or you got a fresh haircut, or ladies, you got your nails done, you got your hair done, your toes done. You're just feeling good, okay? It could be a Friday night, you just got your paycheck. Take notice when you got money, how you feel. Everybody else can feel your energy outside of you. So guess what everybody does when they see that you look good? They come towards you. You notice the difference, right? Now, when you're feeling broke, when you're feeling depleted of all your energy, you don't have any money, and you're going out here, you're walking around, and you're reflecting it inside of you, whether you want to believe it or not. What do people do? They stay far away from you. What do the opportunities do? Oh no, you can't get no job. No, you can't eat here. Can't sit here, seats taken. I don't want to sit beside you because you don't even look like you smell good. You see the difference between the energy? This is the same way money comes to you. The more you can begin to put out the vibration that you are already money, and money has to come to you because you look like a person that deserves my money. You look like a person that I should pay because you look special, that I'm gonna pay you because the vibration that you're giving off towards me. What you have to do, and what I used to have a problem with, you have to be able to change the way you think from thinking about how you have to go and get money and how money is way out here to thinking that you are already money and money is already in here. That way it can be reflected out here and it can come back to you. That's what you have to do, and that's what I did, and that's why I continuously keep making money every day without even having to work. I remember once upon a time, man, I used to stay in the hood. You know, I'm gonna give you an example. One time I used to stay in the hood. It wasn't the best conditions, like welfare living. You know, my parents did the best they can to take care of me, but it's just everybody has hard times. You know, you can recall hard times in your life, right? Everybody has hard times, and we all have problems. You know, but here's the whole catch about it. When me and my cousins, because my cousins used to stay around me in the neighborhood that I stayed in. When me and my cousins used to be in our neighborhood chilling and playing, we always thought that we was rich. You know, we used to want to be rappers. We always thought we was superstars. Even when we was in the hood, you know, we would go out and buy us like necklaces. You know, we would get watches and stuff like that, man. We would go buy some clothes from the mall. Even though we couldn't even afford it, we always acted like we was rich, even living in the hood. And what we were doing was what I'm telling you to do right now. And nowadays, my cousins are well off. My cousins, some of them are celebrities, okay? Look at me, all right? What you gotta do is be able to feel rich, act rich, regardless of your circumstances and your situation. You gotta be able to feel like $1 million, even if you stay in a broke down house, even if you riding in a car with donut ties on it, you gotta still feel like you are a millionaire or a superstar. You wealthy, you rich, you the life of the party. Even if you don't got on new clothes, you gotta be able to walk into a place like the mall or something, knowing you can't buy nothing, and still be able to walk into Saks Fifth and smell $500 colognes and perfumes, even though you ain't gonna buy it. The salesperson don't know you ain't got the money to buy it, but you gotta be able to walk in there with the air of confidence and charisma and a look on your face that says you can afford anything in here. And then if you giving off that vibration, people will spray as much cologne and perfume for you as you want them to, and they will have no clue that you are not going to buy it. See, this is the key. In order to attract money, what you have to do, you have to get yourself on the vibration first. Money is a vibration, and that shit is way up here. Most people operate down here. Low confidence, low vibration, think that they broke, walking like they broke, act like they broke, talk like they broke. They always talking about the rich people because the rich people got all the money. That's what broke people at. They stay at that low vibration. Rich vibration is way up here. And the only people who are able to be on this frequency and vibration of money is people who aren't afraid to get on that vibration. See, being on a money vibration, being on a money frequency, it could make you feel like fearful. It could make you feel afraid to do things that rich people do. I remember once upon a time, I used to be afraid to walk into a mall with premium stores. You know what I mean? Because I knew I could never afford it. Complete window shopper, you know what I mean? But it was a fear to get on a higher vibration. And that's where some of y'all in this video, y'all watching this video, the reason why you can never really attract money the way that you really want to is because you have a fear of getting on the vibration of money, okay? You probably been broke all your life. You probably been around broke people all your life, and they have made you even believe with their own thoughts and their opinions and the things that they do, they've made you believe that it's cool to be broke. You know what I mean? And like I said, this necessarily don't even have to come from you. You probably want to be rich. You probably feel rich. It's probably in your destiny and your right to be rich. All right. But for the simple fact that you probably been hanging around broke people all your life, they have rubbed off onto you and made you think in your mind that it's cool to be broke. It's cool to be in poverty. You know, it's cool to be hood. It's cool to be a thug and walk around with your pants sagging because this is what we do, bro. Bro, that ain't what the real reality of living good is all about. All the people who think that money is away from them and they didn't believe these words that I was saying, the money would have never found a mysterious way to come into their life because they didn't think about it. You understand? They didn't think that they already had it before they actually received it. Okay, so with that being said, listen, money is gonna come to you. Good luck. And when it start coming to you, stay in that frequency. Don't get scared of it. Stay in that frequency. When people start letting you go and friends start going away, stay on that frequency.